Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you a quick but important video on a new text message scam that is actually targeting a lot of people right now, which is called the US Customs USPS invalid zip code scam. So if you've actually received a text message saying that there's an issue with your package due to an invalid zip code and that you need to pay a small fee or update your address, you could be the target of this scam, guys. Okay, let's go over the details so you know what to look out for and how you can actually protect yourself. So what is the invalid zip code scam? Okay, this scam usually starts with a text message that appears to be from USPS or US Customs. It will say, something along the lines of basically your package is on hold due to an invalid zip code, or there's a customs fee that you need to pay before your package can actually be delivered. And sometimes the text will also claim that the package will be returned if you don't actually act quickly, right? They'll provide a link and ask you to update your address, or pay a small fee, okay, which typically is around a few dollars. And the message can actually look pretty convincing, guys, right? They use the USPS logo and language that actually sounds official. But here's the catch, guys. USPS and US Customs do not send text messages asking you to update your information or pay extra fees through links. This is just a way for scammers to get your personal and financial details. So how does this scam actually work? Okay, once you click on the link, you're redirected to a page that looks like an official USPS or customs site. Okay, it'll ask for personal information like your name, your address, and sometimes even your credit card details for the fee. So entering this information actually gives scammers direct access to sensitive data, which they can use for identity theft or make unauthorized transactions, guys. Some users even have reported that after entering their information, they noticed unusual charges on their accounts. This is because the scammers now have access to your payment details. So how do you actually spot and avoid this scam, guys? Okay, what you want to do first is you want to look for the message source. Okay, because look, USPS and US Customs usually communicate through mail or their official website, not by text messages with links. Okay, and if you're actually unsure, you can do not click on the link. Okay, instead go directly to the USPS website or call their customer service for any package issues. And messages asking for fees or personal information through links are often scams, guys. Okay, official services rarely ask for money through random texts. And if you receive one of these texts, guys, don't respond. Okay, report the message to USPS or US Customs, or just forward the scam text to your carrier's spam reporting number. So my final thoughts are that look, this invalid zip code scam is just one of many scams targeting people through text messages. Scammers know that we rely heavily on online shopping and package deliveries, so they use these themes to catch us off guard. But remember, guys, if a message feels suspicious or asks for information in an unusual way, it's probably best to just ignore it or verify directly with the service. So, guys, just stay alert and share this information with friends and family to keep everyone safe from these scams. And if this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe for more scam alerts and security tips. Thanks for watching.